back to another video. This is Z from Sain Official. Before starting the video, I would like to request you to like, subscribe and share our channel. So I have been receiving a lot of requests and people are requesting that help us in updating our PC to Windows 10 2004 version, and most of the PCs are not receiving this update due to their less requirements or still upgrade is not available for them. So let's start the video and tell you how to update it. So all we have to do is to go to Google and type Windows 10 2004 Update Assistant. Okay, then you have to click Windows 10 Update Assistant. Confirm before clicking that it is support.microsoft.com. So then you click on it and it starts loading. So as I have already opened the same tab, so after you open the tab, you will see it is written that Windows 10 Update Assistant. You have two options, one is download the Update Assistant and one is update Windows 10. So don't click update Windows 10 because it will go to the settings of Windows and it will directly go to the update option. So as your PC is not receiving, so it will not show its compatibility and it will say it is coming soon or something like this. Just click download the update assistant and it will open the next page. So after the next page is open, don't click Windows 10 October 2020 update. Don't click update now. You go to downside and there will be download tool now. So I am attaching the link of the update tool too, so that you can download it directly from the link mentioned in the details. So as you have seen, it is already downloaded on my PC and installed also. Proceeded after accepting the terms and conditions, and it is asking that what do you want to do, upgrade this PC now or create installation media. So you have to click update this PC now, and after that it will again proceed for some settings. And you see that my laptop is not having that much space. So in your case, if you have space more than 8 GB, it will just download it and install the Windows 2004. After that you have to restart the PC and here you go. So that was all from today's video. Before ending the video, I would like to request again to like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.